to our channel. In this session, we are discussing the program convert sorted array into binary search tree. First of all, what is sorted array? An array in which the elements are arranged in either ascending order or descending order and convert into binary search tree. What is mean by binary search tree? Simply, it is a binary tree with the property that the left child values are less than the root and the right child values are greater than the root, and this property is applied recursively for all the subtrees. This is a binary search tree. Now move to the program. Here the program is given an integer array nums where the elements are stored in ascending order. Okay, the question is the elements are in ascending order and convert it to a high balanced binary search tree. Again, here, what is the meaning of high balanced? Read the point. It is a binary tree in which the depth of the two subtrees of every node never differs by more than one. Means, for example, if you are considering a tree like this, such type of tree is not accepted. Why? Here, for this, the left subtree depth is 2. For this, the right subtree depth is 0. The difference is 2. It is not accepted. What they are saying? The difference of depth is either -1, 0 or +1, not differ by more than 1. This is the condition you need to follow. Now, given the question, they are given three numbers, -10, -3, 0, 5 and -9. -10, -3, 0, 5, 9. This is the array that is given. Now, what is the procedure? If you want to convert into a binary search tree, the first step I am doing is calculate the middle value and make the middle value as the root element. Among these, the middle value is 0. Now, 0 becomes the root element. All the elements left side of this 0 becomes the left subtree. Right side of 0 becomes the right subtree. Again, the elements on the left subtree apply the same procedure. That is, among these elements, find out the middle value, that becomes the root, and left side values becomes the left subtree, right side values becomes the right subtree. This process is repeated until all the elements are completed. So here we are constructing the binary search tree by using recursion. Now we will implement this one. Now going to the full screen. Okay, first, what is the node? They are given tree node. This is the class which consists of three parameters: left to, right to, and value. Generally, the trees are represented by using double linked list. That is the theme. Here, the array name is nums. What is the first step? The first step is assume. If the array does not consist of any elements, means if not nums, what you need to return? Simply return none. Means it does not consist of any element. Means there is no binary search tree. You no need to do anything. Now start the procedure carefully. What is the first step? First step is calculation of middle element. How do you calculate middle element? The number of elements by 2. So len of nums. This gives the number of elements divided by 2. Now mid specifies the middle element position. Okay. Here, what is your aim? Based on the middle position, you need to create the tree. Based on that one, create the subtrees. So here I am using one temporary variable, some node, tree node of. So the class they are given as a tree node of. For this node, I am passing nums of mid. I think you got the point. Assume mid is equal to 3, means the third position, nums of 3. Nums of 3 in the sense, the value at the third position, that value is passed to the tree node. Means one node is created with a value and the name of the value is node, like root. Name of the value is node. Now, what is your aim? By this, what happened? 0 is created. You got it? By this is happened. 0 is created. Left value is null. Right value is null. Now, what is your aim? This name is node. You need to create node dot left and then node dot right. Now, write down that one. Node dot left is equal to recursion. How do you call the recursion? Self dot sorted array to BST. Self log sorted array to BST. Now, what the left part? All the left side elements. Yes or no? How do you get the left side elements? You know the slice operation. Colon, mid means 0 to mid minus 1. You know that one. End is not at all considered. 0 to mid minus 1. Now, node dot left. Similarly, node dot right is equal to same. Self dot sorted array to BST nums of what is the right part? Mid plus 1 to ending. So, mid plus 1 to ending. So, if you are not specifying any starting, by default, the start of the list. If you are not specifying any ending, the by default, the end of the list. Now, what happened? By this, these elements 10 minus 3, these elements 5, 9. Again, if you return the node, the same process is applied recursively. The same process is applied recursively. Return node. Now, run this program. See, the program is accepted. Whatever the values, observe 0 is the root node. 0 is the root node. For that root node, what is the output? Minus 10 and minus 3 becomes the left node. Observe, if you are printing in this order, 0, minus 3, and here observe 9. 9 minus 10. Here there is no value, null, and then 5. You got it? This is the way you are getting the binary search tree. Submit. Very simple. Always do the recursion middle element. Clear? Accepted successfully. In the next session, we will move to one more program. Thank you.